Alright boys and girls, we're going to work on the Manx again today, but first we are going to mount some rims and tires by hand. And the reason you might want to do this is if you don't trust the local shop to scratch it, you'd rather you scratch it, or if it's just not feasible to get to a tire shop and have it mounted. It's a pretty simple process. We will not be balancing the tires, but just mounting. So let's get to work. Alright, so this is going to be a pretty simple process here. You're going to need just a few things. You're going to need some soapy water. Alright, make life easy. You're going to need some sort of tool to pry the bead of the tire over the lip of the rim. So I got some screwdrivers covered in some tape just to try and minimize scratching the rim. And you're going to need something to put the rim on. I've seen people use 2x4s and stuff. I have this little step stool which actually slides in the rim and keeps the rim off the ground so that you can have a little room to angle the tire downwards. So anyways, I'm going to put the camera up on a stand and try and film this for you guys. Alright, here we go. We have the valve core already in and tightened, and now we're going to grab our tire. We want the white wall out, so that's the way we're going to make it go on. Grab our soap, put around the bead of the tire. The first side is going to go on so amazingly smooth. It's just body weight pushing on it, and it will go on there. It's going to be the secondary lip that is going to be a problem. This is just regular dish soap. I'm sure you could buy some specialized tire stuff, but if you're doing something in the wilderness, probably don't have that. Put some on that side of this one. Okay, so now we got it all lubed up. We're going to set it on there at an angle and just push it on. There we go. So that's on there. I hope we got recording. Good. All right. Now the fun part. So we're just going to choose a side. Choose this one. We'll move it around using my body weight. Trying to get on there the most that I can. Try and keep that tire below the lip here. Some people use a piece of wood block. I've not seen that super necessary on these rims. And now we're going to take our screwdriver, go up in there, and under the lip, we're going to pry it off. There we go. And just like that, we have a tire mounted. Now all we got to do is air it up, pop it on the bead, and then go and have it balanced.